Our media business achieved its highest growth last year on the back of strong engagement, resulting in record subscriptions and advertising revenues. Our national channels CNN News 18, CNBC TV 18, and News 18 India are consistently ranked number one. Money Control is among the world's most popular subscription products. Our news brands are innovating with novel storytelling methods across platforms, building deeper relationship with audiences wherever they are and whatever device they use. Our entertainment arm, Viacom 18, consolidated its leadership position with a high decibel entry into sports, bagging the digital rights of IPL for 5 years. Along with key sporting rights in football, badminton, basketball, tennis, and now cricket, Viacom 18 is also aggressively investing in movie rights and original content for OTT. In news, entertainment, and sports, digital is a core and fast-growing theme as we prepare to embrace the 5G revolution. Our partnership with Bodhi Tree, James Murdoch, Uday Shankar, and Paramount Global will help Viacom 18 with additional talent bandwidth and enable us to create a world-class media and entertainment business.